Peace of Mind and Body 23. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Many people, including Muslims, search for advice and information which can alleviate their mental problems, such as stress, anxiety and depression, from worldly sources such as self-help gurus, psychologists and counselors. Even though some of the information and advice they can obtain from these sources is good, as it is connected to the teachings of Islam, yet the vast majority of their advice and information will not be useful, as it is restricted by too many factors which prevents it being entirely useful. For example, a counselor's knowledge and experience will always be limited, irrespective of how much learning they have undertaken or how many patients they have counseled. Their perspective will always be limited, as they can only observe and experience the mentality and behavior of other people from a restricted point of view. They only know what the patient shares with them, and are unaware of many feelings and emotions that their patient does not share with them, as they may struggle to put it into words. Researchers are limited by the sample of people they have taken during their experiments. These limitations are connected with age, race, ethnicity, social class, religion, and many more. In addition, a counselor or self-help guru may well possess an unconscious bias for or against certain attitudes and behavior because of their own experiences. For example, a male counselor will more easily understand the mindset of a man. The counselor may well lean towards a certain mindset because of their personal relationships. For example, a counselor may well unconsciously picture their ex-wife when conducting couples therapy sessions. All of these biases are inevitable, as humans are shaped by their experiences, and are heavily influenced by their subconscious. The only one that can completely aid the mental health of a person is the one who is completely unbiased in every situation and circumstance. The one whose knowledge completely encompasses every type of emotion, behavior, thought and characteristic a human can ever experience. The one who knows the cure for every mental issue. The one who is free of making mistakes in diagnosing mental conditions. The only one who can achieve all this and more is Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 67 Al-Mulk, verse 14.
Does he not know those whom he created?
Therefore, if a person desires the cure for their mental issues, they must seek it from Allah, the Exalted, through gaining and acting on the teachings of Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Through this method, the worldly sciences which run in parallel with Islamic teachings will then benefit them also. Chapter 21 Al-Anbiya, verse 10.
We have certainly sent down to you a book, i.e., the Quran, in which is your mention. Then will you not reason?
And chapter 10 Yunus, verse 57.
O mankind, there has come to you instruction from your Lord and healing for what is in the breasts.